In this video, I'll be showing you how to zoom in and out with Premiere Pro. Start by dragging your video into the sequence timeline. Select the clip if it isn't already. Open the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, then enable it by going to the Window menu at the top. Under the Motion settings, you will see an Anchor Point option. Select it. On the preview, you will notice a circle marker in the middle of the screen. Drag and move it to where you'd like to focus the zoom in or out on. If you want to zoom in on the center, then leave the anchor point in the middle. Select the scale value and enter in the new value. Increasing the number will zoom into the video and decreasing the scale will zoom out. You can also change the value by clicking on the number and dragging left or right. Using the scale, you can also zoom over a period of time. Move the playhead to where you want the zoom to start. Click the stopwatch next to the Scale setting. This will create a new keyframe whenever the scale is changed. Adjust the scale as you would like. Move the playhead to where you want the zoom effect to finish. Adjust the scale again to where you want the zoom effect to finish. You will now have two keyframes. Play the video between these points to see the zoom effect. Moving the keyframes closer together will speed up the effect, and moving them further apart will slow it down. You can also smoothen the effect by right-clicking on the second keyframe and choosing Ease In. You will now be able to zoom in and out with Premiere Pro.